And this is the one that I got for $5.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. So, I'm going to start off with my e-card because some of you have been telling me that you guys like me reading my e-card. So, here it is. So, let's see. Today is December 10. And Tuesday, December 10th says, I'm staying home from work because my lack of motivation might be contagious. That is so funny. So yeah, that's the calendar of the day. Alright, so I just came back from school and then I went straight to the mail and I got some packages that I wanted to show you guys. I actually got 3 packages. These right here. So if you're here for BOXYCHARM, here it is. I will start off with this one. So yeah. Okay, so I'm super excited because we're going to get a palette today. So let's open it up. I didn't expect to get my BOXYCHARM this soon, but I'm glad I did. Ta-da. So pretty. I love this pink packaging. It's so cute. So it comes with a card as usual, and this month's theme is BOXYCHARM Whimsy. It's super pretty. I'm sorry if there's like light over here. It's just that I turned on my light right there because my living room is kind of dark. Okay, so here are my products. I'm so excited. So the first product that I see here is a SERAPHINE Botanicals Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish. So it's a lip scrub, I guess. So this is what it looks like. Here, let me see if I can turn it around. That's better. So this is what it looks like. It's funny because I already got a lip scrub from Jeffree Star, the mystery box, but I don't mind it because my lips get super dry during this time. I'm happy that I got this, so I will open this up and it is sealed. Bimbo and Bartolo right here. They think I'm going to give them something. Este es mío, ñaño. Okay, so I finally got it open. It looks like it's pink. There it is. And it smells really good. Oh, I like this. So I'm super happy that I got this. I will try this out later today. Let's see, what else do we have in here? So I also received the CIATE London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. So I'm super excited. Look at the packaging, it's so cute. I love the packaging on this. And I'm super excited because I just finished my Laura Geller blush. So I could add another blush to my collection. And oh my gosh, this packaging is so cute. Look at that, you guys. I love the stars. I got the shade Marbled Light Dusk. So let's open it up. Ooh, this is so pretty. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It kind of smells like a warehouse. The inside of a warehouse. But let me swatch it. And look at that, it's so pretty. I don't know if you guys could tell. I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh, it's a really pretty light pink rose shade. So I'm super happy that I got this. I love blush. So this one's a keeper, obviously. Okay, so I'm dumb. I forgot to tell you guys the price for everything. Okay, so the SERAPHINE Botanicals Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish retails for $24. Dang, this is expensive. $24 for this little container. And the CIATE Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher retails for $26. Okay, now on to the next item here. And I got the Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit by Reina. Is it by Reina? I can't see. True Glam Brow Makeover Kit Dark. If you guys don't know me, I don't really do my eyebrows. So I might have to put this in a giveaway. But I will open it up so we could see what it looks like. Or what it is. Oh, this is cute. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it comes with like a little pencil thingy or gel, I don't know. And it has 3 different shades here. So yeah, that sucks that I got this because I don't do my eyebrows. So this Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit retails for $30. Dang, that's expensive. Or I don't know. I don't know anything about brows besides eyebrow threading. And I only pay like $6 for that. Okay, the next product that I got, it is the ELEMIS Pro-COLLAGEN Rose Facial Oil. Soothing facial oil for fine lines and wrinkles. Soothes and nourishes and smooths. So this is what I got, and I actually chose this one over the other hydrating mask or hydrating gel or something like that. I don't know what it was, but I chose this one because it said for fine lines and wrinkles, and I'm trying to take care of my skin for wrinkles so I don't get wrinkles. But hopefully this isn't super greasy for my skin. And here it is. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It looks like a teardrop. I could even put it on my tree or something. That is so cute. Look at that. ELEMIS Pro-COLLAGEN Rose Facial Oil. Let's see, how do you use this? So it has a dropper, and it's a weird dropper. It's like lopsided. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here, let's take a look. Just one drop. I don't want to waste it. Okay, so it feels kind of greasy, but I mean, not greasy like grease on pizza greasy. It's more like greasy like coconut oil greasy, but not that greasy. I don't know. It smells really good. It smells like rose petals, that's for sure. So you can't really see it. I mean, you can see it's shiny. So I'm probably just going to be putting this on my face at night. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Massage 3 to 4 drops over the face and neck. If contact with ice occurs, rinse thoroughly. This soothing facial oil, formulated with organic English rose oleo extract, rose hip seed oil, roaring water kelp, and padina pavonica, intensely nourishes the skin, whilst smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for all skin types, including sensitive skin. So I'm super happy that I got this because it says that it's for sensitive skin. So I will let you guys know how I like this. So I'm super happy that I got this. I almost spilled the whole thing, you guys. This ELEMIS Pro-COLLAGEN Rose Facial Oil retails for $79. Holy crap, that little bottle for $79. That's expensive, you guys. But I'm happy that I got it in my BOXYCHARM. Okay, now on to the last product here. And I got this cute little book here. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, look at that. So adorable. It looks like a little book. Oh my gosh, I am in love. So I got the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. And they sent me the Little Red Riding Hood. Look at that. It looks like an actual book. Isn't that adorable? So let's open it to page 1. Ah, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at that, you guys. It's so pretty. It has a nice little mirror here, and it has 6 beautiful shades. And the shades are Red, Bad Wolf, Basket, Peril, Journey, and Woods. So it looks like a pretty neutral eyeshadow palette, but I love it because it's so cute. It looks like a vintage book, and I am obsessed. This Peril shade right here reminds me of the shade Peril in the I Love Revolution eyeshadow palette, the Haunted House palette one. It's exactly the same. I'm super happy that I got this. So I will be trying this out pretty soon here. Not today though, because I still gotta finish homework, you guys. Today's the last day I'll be doing homework, and tomorrow should be a better day for vlogging and all that good stuff. So have patience, my friends. Alright, so this Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood palette retails for $35. It's so cute, and I feel like it's kind of pricey because it only has 6 shades. But I feel like it's worth it because the packaging is adorable. Look, I don't know if you guys remember my Dollar Tree haul the other day, and I bought some fake books, and look at that. It looks the same. It's so cute. I kind of wish all my eyeshadow palettes were in something like this. Anyways, that is everything that I got in BOXYCHARM. Let me know in the comments below if you guys get BOXYCHARM. What did you guys get? Did you guys get the same items as I did? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and I want to know if everyone got the brow bar thingy majiggy, because I thought we were gonna get something else. If someone wants to trade for something else that they got in their box for this brow bar thing, let me know, or else I'll just put it in a giveaway or something. Here, let me add the amount.
What is $35 plus $79 plus $26 plus $24 plus $30?
The answer is 194 United States dollars.
So that's almost $200 worth of makeup products. I'm super happy with this box, except for the brow product. But other than that, I love everything else that I got. Totally worth paying $25 a month. I'm happy with my BOXYCHARM. Anyways, let me show you guys what I got in the mail because I got 2 packages and this one I had to sign for it. So let's open it up. This one came from Taiwan. Oh, I remember, yes. Okay, so I did order more of my favorite eyeliners by Miss Hana. So this is what they look like. And it comes in this packaging now. And I ordered 2 because I'm almost out of the one that I'm using right now. So I had to get 2 backups. Here, let me show you. It's just a pencil eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. And I got these for like $10 each. Now let's see what I got in this package right here. This one came from China. Let's see, what did I get? This is probably from eBay as well. What did I get? I remember what this is, you guys. So in eBay, so I could get free shipping for this, I had to get something else or something, I don't know. And there was this like small ad that said $5 ABH Norvina Palette, and obviously it's a dupe. And so I'm like, let me try it out since I can't afford getting the real thing. And so this is what it is. It is a dupe of the ABH Norvina eyeshadow palette. And here it is, you guys. Isn't that pretty? And it looks exactly the same, you guys. This is the original one from the Anastasia Beverly Hills website. And this is the one that I got for $5 on eBay. Let's look at the palette now. Whoa, it looks the same, you guys. It has plastic on top, that's why it looks like that. I know Chris from Chris and Kathy likes hearing the peeling noise, so let's see if it has a peeling noise. Ta-da! It has the butterflies in the same place and everything. It has another plastic on the back. So let's look at it inside. Are you guys ready to see if this is the real dupe? And I only paid $5 for this. Here we go. Whoa. Tell me this isn't exactly the same, you guys. Well, this is crazy. Here, now let's take a look inside of the palette. Are the shades exactly the same? Okay, so the order of the shades are pretty much the same, except this one up here and this one right here. They're swapped. So the A4 and the B4. So the green and that red burgundy shade. Okay, so right here they have the swatches. Okay, so I'm going to swatch the yellow one up here. It feels really smooth and it looks pigmented so far, and that's the swatch right there. I'm gonna do another layer. So that's what it looks like. Now I want to swatch this vibrant orange right here. It feels smooth. Whoa, it's like really pigmented, you guys. Let's swatch this green one right here now. My hands are like stained. Okay, the green one feels really smooth as well. Look at that pigment. Look at that, and there's like no fallout. I'm going to swatch B3, this one right here. It's like a red pink. Look at that pigment. Whoa, it's like so smooth. I'm impressed. Okay, now let me try a shimmer. I'm going to swatch this pink one right here. It feels really creamy. Ooh, look at that. Whoa, it's like really pigmented, you guys. I'm going to try to do a look like other YouTubers have done with the original ABH Norvina palette and see if it comes out good. If this is only $5 and it works as well as the original one, that's crazy, you guys. Well, I'm happy that I got this for $5. I can't wait to see if it actually works. I will keep you guys posted. Maybe I'll do a video on Saturday or Sunday, because on Thursday I'm going to San Luis Obispo, like 6 hours away from here, to a Christmas party. I will be vlogging that as well. But anyways, that is everything that I got in the mail today from BOXYCHARM, Taiwan, and China. So later I will be opening my advent calendars with my boyfriend and my hairy children. So if you guys want to watch that, just keep on watching and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, you guys, so it is midnight. I'm just kidding.
Hello guys.
So it is like 10 o'clock and we're going to open our advent calendars. Who do we start off? ¿Quién quiere advent calendar?
Vemos here.
Vente, ñaña. So we're going to start off with Bimbo. Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Alright, so we're going to open day number 10. It's right here. Wow. Vamos a ver qué agarramos. Wow.
Not a red thing. Is that a Christmas tree?
No, it's a red bell. It's cute. Mira, papas. So Bimbo got a red bell. It's so cute. Ding dong, ding dong.
Bartolo's ready on the other side of you.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Okay, now we're going to open Bartolo's advent calendar. Come on, sir. So here's Bartolo. Good boy. So we're going to open number 10, and 10 is over here. Wow. Look, Ñoño. Choose a Christmas tree together. We already did that. Mira, Ñoño. Wow. Espérate, papas. He wants to eat it.
You already bit it, huh?
Yeah. Alright, so he got another little, what are they called?
Fire hydrant.
He got a little fire hydrant. Super cute. Ten, Ñoño. Ay, qué chulo, papas, con su boquita. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to open my boyfriend's advent calendar. So day number 10.
10? Oh yeah. That was 11 for some reason.
Las vamos para atrás.
Oh,
So
Snickers.
he got another
so
Snicker.
It's the whole
Letters, word.
letters, yeah. Ah, should have saved
So
them.
he got a, that's funny, yeah, right? So he got a Snicker, lucky him. He doesn't have to share with me.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so now I'm going to open my advent calendar from Ulta. So day number 10 is right here. It is the big box. Number 10. What did we get? So we got the Ulta Beauty Matte Bronzer. This one right here. I don't really use bronzers, so I'm not going to open it because I already have 2 bronzers from a face palette that I got from BOXYCHARM a couple of months ago. So I will be putting this one in a giveaway. Okay, now on to 12 Days of Beauty with Target. So let's look for number 10. Number 10 is right here. Ta-da! So I got a Pantene Cheat Day Dry Shampoo Foam. I've never tried a foam dry shampoo, so this is pretty cool. 60 seconds cleansing wash. So that's what it looks like. I don't really use dry shampoo, but I will keep it because I want to try it out. I've never tried a foam dry shampoo, so maybe I'll like this one. I'm super excited that I got this. So anyways, that is everything that we got in our advent calendars. And I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I need to edit this video and I'm really tired. I just finished all my homework, you guys, and I'm tired and I'm super happy. So now I could actually vlog. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.